What are you doing, Silas? Oh, where'd it go? Hey, Silas, what are you doing?
Did you just eat your foot? Come on, do it again. Come on, Silas.
Get your foot. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. There goes your foot. Come on.
Come on, put that thing in your mouth.
Put your foot in your mouth again. Come on. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Score!
Yes. Oh, you distracted him. Good job.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
He's smiling at Daddy.
What are you doing?
He's smiling at Daddy.
What are you doing?
Come on.
Try again. Try again. Quit looking at me. Look at your foot. It tastes good.
Yeah, put your foot in your mouth again. Show off your talent, Mr. Slobber. Come on, get your foot, get your foot. Yeah. Come on. A very serious Silas.
What are you doing?
He might be grunting something out. Oh, no more foot and mouth? Huh? That's sweet baby. Just a hyper little chipmunk. So hyper. Get your foot. Not your hand. Come on. You act like we never feed you. You might be hungry.
I don't think so.
Yeah, he just ate, didn't he?
Just ate a whole bottle almost.
Are you TVing? Is that what it is? Come on, put your foot back in your mouth.
Hey, cutie boy. Stick your foot in your mouth.
Do it again. Do it again. Come on. Come on. Get your foot. Get your foot. Grab your foot. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Little chunky monkey.
Yeah. Foot in mouth. Foot in mouth.
We're not laughing at you. We're laughing with you.
No, we're laughing at him. Oh no.
Uh-oh.